The outbound train to Long Branch, making stops at Newark Airport, North Elizabeth, Linden, Broadway, up Woodbridge, Perth Amboy, South Amboy, Madawan, Ashland, Middletown, Red Bank, Little Silver, and Long Branch. Please stay back. Please don't stay out while we wait the train.
This is the fast one. There's only two stops. One is Caucus and then one in New York.
Yeah, I think it's
We'll go down here. So I call it now.
Now arriving on track 1 is the New Jersey Transit 743 inbound train to Penn Station, New York. It stops at Cedar Rapids.